There are babies in this basket right here, and I was getting ready to water my flowers. There was 4, and 2 of the babies took off flying, which they flew okay, but that's the first time that they flew. I scared them, I think. And here's another one. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think they're quite ready to leave the nest yet. But I scared them and it flew off. And here's the other one. And I hope they come back. The mama's gonna come back looking for you all and you're gonna be gone. I hope them 2 little ones will make it that flew off. I love animals so much. All I was going to do was water my plant, not the nest or the birds. And I scared them. But they did fly off okay.